What if you could create environments like this by custom sculpting everything in ZBrush? Pablo Dominguez is a concept artist with a massive list of professional accomplishments, having worked on just about all the biggest franchises in the entertainment industry. And over the years, he's developed a unique workflow to create immense, high-quality environments in a very short amount of time. In his brand new Learn Squared course, Pablo will help you to build your own sprawling environment, from coming up with a visual language, to building out the assets, to framing your camera shots, all without the need for any external kitbash elements. In addition to creating 4 incredible pieces of concept art, Pablo will also show you how to wow your clients with a fully animated scene. But what if you're not comfortable sculpting in ZBrush and wouldn't even know where to start? Pablo has developed an entire second course which goes over all the fundamentals of ZBrush. Included in this basics course are several interactive challenges designed to cement each skill you learn along the way, before finally culminating in 3 full sculpts of your own, 1 fully organic, 1 fully hard surface, and 1 that combines them together. By working on and finishing actual projects of your own, you'll be building confidence and real-world experience to help you tackle larger projects in the future. ZBrush Basics will be available for purchase on its own as a standalone, but students who purchase Pablo's Environment Concept Art course will receive ZBrush Basics as a free bonus. This means even the earliest ZBrush beginner will be able to go all the way from first using the software to creating a massive piece of gorgeous concept art by following these 2 courses together. Every project needs environments, and with these techniques, you'll be able to deliver incredible worlds in record time. Sign up today and begin your journey at LearnSquared.com.